Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's start with the weekly analysis of Bank Nifty. We're looking at the weekly candle, then we'll slowly we'll keep going to the lower time frame, right? So first of all, whatever we are predicting, okay, on each video, the market is absolutely working like that. So let's see, look at the first indication. So I told you, like in this weekly candle, we closed above the high of the event week, okay? So what was the logic for our current week? Okay, so basically we had to sell puts, basically this low and below, right? That's the first one. Now the second one is the current week, it's trading above the high of the previous week. Okay, so whenever the current week is trading above the high of the previous week, never do we take a bearish bet, okay, unless some proper pattern forms, okay, for a bearish setup. Otherwise we don't take a trade for a bearish thing. So the biggest thing I can tell you is we avoided the loss on the call side. Okay, that's the biggest inference from this video. So we didn't hold any calls in the last like 2 days. We didn't hold any calls, right? So what are we seeing on the weekly time frame? We are seeing that the market is properly bullish. मतलब इससे better nothing. Like buyers को क्या चाहिए इससे ज़्यादा? मतलब this is perfect for us, right? So now let's move on to the daily time frame. See, daily time frame I'm drawing only two levels. This is the all-time high, okay, and this is the candle which made the high after breaking the all-time high, right? After that you saw that market was consolidating, okay, for 2-3 days. So इसका भी breakout market ने दे दिया है अभी, which means what? Which again means we have to play bullish, correct? This is absolutely not a bearish scenario by any means. I don't know why, or I don't know what option buyers must be doing if they're buying puts. Secondly, I don't know why people are selling calls. Of course, tomorrow if the market gaps down, I'm going to be terribly wrong. But I think the market should protect the low of today, okay? So we'll see that tomorrow. Now, from the daily candle perspective, first of all, we have a Marubozu candle, right? Marubozu candle means it is extremely bullish. Next, what do we see? Chart pattern. I see a small rectangle breakout again, okay? So few days ago, we had a rectangle breakout here, okay? Iska, and the move was pretty nice. So let's see if the move again is pretty nice or not, right? On the daily chart. ठीक है, तो हमको जो चाहिए exactly हमारे हिसाब से perfect चल रहा है, मतलब ये. We can't ask for anything more, right? So hopefully for tomorrow, like what I think today's low has to be protected tomorrow, okay? So 51,700 low है आज का, तो मेरे हिसाब से 51,600 and below के puts zero जाने चाहिए, ठीक है? तो कल के लिए I'm just giving you my view. Now 15-minute time frame पे let's come. Let's look at the support resistance which we can draw, right? So what I'm doing here, I'm just drawing a line on the high of the rectangle and on the low of the rectangle, ठीक है? तो इससे क्या समझ में आता है? Automatically I understand कि here we got the breakout, right? And the market is here currently LTP इधर, ठीक है? तो market even if it comes down near 52,000 is just going to be retest. Why retest? Because this was a resistance, 1, 2 and third touch, okay? So 3 touches on the resistance side, and after the resistance breaks, it turns into a support, correct? So R turns to S. I've like noted this for you. Cool. तो हमारे हिसाब से perfectly हो गया ये. नीचे भी आया तो support आने वाला है मेरे हिसाब से. तो कल के लिए आज का low and below puts have to go to zero, as I told you. This 51,600 and below puts, I'm expecting them to go to zero. And tomorrow, अगर gap up होता है कल, right? Mostly what I think can happen, I think market can open like flattish, okay, and then give some like move on the upside or downside after some time. So depending on where it goes, I'll go along with it tomorrow. I'll follow the market, okay? No predictions, only reacting to the market. तो बहुत सिंपल है. और अगर लाइक थोड़ा सा गैप डाउन वगैरह खुलता है, सो आज का रेंज इट्स अ वेरी बिग रेंज, ठीक है? तो आई विल एक्सपेक्ट देन अ इनसाइड कैंडल टुमारो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली, okay? So the probability of today's low being taken out tomorrow is very low, although it may happen, right? This is the possibility of this is extremely low. So let's look at Nifty now. Okay, so Nifty on the weekly time frame, what it's showing me currently it's showing me the pattern of a bullish engulfing. I told you this, I made a video on this. All of you have not seen the video because you know we get 2.5k views per video approximately. So like the bullish engulfing video has only 1.6k views. The first thing I would urge all of you is to go and watch that video, right? So यहाँ पे मुझे दिख रहा है bullish engulfing है. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? बहुत bullish होता है ये. तो अभी भी like week का candle खत्म होने के लिए, today is Tuesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are left. But अगर Friday को ऐसी closing आती है, हम और भी bullish मान के चले गए इसको. Cool. So this is damn good from the weekly time frame. Marubozu भी बन रहा है. So the daily time frame पे what can we see? I see, you know, after the all time high, market didn't have its momentum. लाइक बहुत छोटे छोटे कैंडल से इट वाज गोइंग अप. नाउ इन द लास्ट 2 days अभी अच्छा मोमेंटम आने लगा है इसमें, ठीक है. एंड अगेन इट्स गिवन द ऑल टाइम हाई क्लोजिंग. सो ये एब्सोल्युटली कोई वे में बेरिश तो नहीं है ये, ठीक है, बुलिश ही है ये. एंड लाइक देखेंगे कल अगर इंट्राडे में कुछ बेरिश सेटअप्स एक्टिवेट हुए, कुछ ट्रिगर हुआ, देन विल प्ले बेरिश, नहीं तो कोई रीजन नहीं है बेरिश खेलने का. तो निफ्टी अगेन ऑन द डेली चार्ट इज गिविंग अ स्मॉल लाइक रेजिस्टेंस का ऊपर जाके इट्स गिविंग अ क्लोज, तो इसको काफी बुलिश माना जाता है. तो टुमारो ऑल्सो आई एम होपिंग फॉर अ गैप अप ओपनिंग. ओके, सो 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे आई वांट टू टेल यू गाइस वन थिंग. फर्स्ट तो ये जो है यहाँ पे देखो आप, इसने एक फेक डाउन मतलब फेक आउट दिया इसने, मतलब नीचे का मूव दिखा के इट्स ब्रेकिंग आउट नाउ. इसको क्या बोलते हैं बेसिकली, दिस इज प्रिटी बुलिश. जब नीचे को टच करके अगर ये ऊपर टच कर रहा है तो यहाँ पे कई लोग ट्रैप हो गए होंगे, राइट. तो नाउ वी नो दैट द मार्केट इज प्रॉपरली बुलिश बिकॉज इवन पीपल आर ट्रैप्ड, ठीक है. तो नॉट एवरीवन इज पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दिस अपमूव. काफी लोग हो गए जिसने नहीं पार्टिसिपेट किया है अभी. तो दिस इज अगेन गुड फॉर अस. Now Nifty tomorrow, what can we say? If it bounces down to 23,650, okay, then still is going to be a support level. As I said, Bank Nifty में यहाँ पे resistance है, ठीक है, 1 2 3. तो Nifty में यहाँ पे नीचे 23,650 तक आएगा तो support रहने वाला है वो. And then we can expect market to make a U and go up, ठीक है. So that's for the अगर नीचे आता है तो, अगर ऊपर जाता है तो then let's talk about that. एंड नीचे में आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग, मतलब ये इनसाइड कैंडल सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग टुमारो अगर नीचे आता है. मेरे हिसाब से आज का लो तो नहीं जाना चाहिए, ठीक है. इट इज प्रीटी सॉलिड आई थिंक सो फॉर एटलीस्ट टुमारो. नाउ टुमारो इफ इट ओपन्स फ्लैट, ओके, एंड इट लाइक गोज साइडवेज एंड देन गिव्स अ ब्रेकआउट, देन आई थिंक दैट्स गोना बी डैम गुड टू प्ले इंट्राडे, राइट, फॉर द बाइंग साइड. और अगर गैप अप ही खुल जाता है तो फिर मतलब उसको चेज मत करो, मतलब ऑलरेडी मूवमेंट हैज कम एंड स्पेशली बड़ा गैप होता है तो फर्स्ट 30 मिनट का हाई लो मार्क करो और उसके ब्रेक खेलो आप. नीचे में ब्रेक किया तो नीचे की तरफ आएगा ये, हाई को टेस्ट करके देन इट कैन रिज्यूम इट्स जर्नी अपवर्ड. ओके, सो डोंट ट्राई टू बाय ऑन द गैप अप, आई थिंक सो, एटलीस्ट इन माय ओपिनियन. ओके, सो फॉर निफ्टी उसकी एक्सपायरी मतलब जो परसों है, मेरे हिसाब से ये जो रेक्टेंगल का लो है ना 23,400 का, तो जस्ट कम एंड चेक हियर, दिस 23,400 पुट इज ट्रेडिंग एट 23 रुपीज. I think even for Nifty this put has to go to zero, logically speaking. तो इसको भी let's monitor अगर ये करेक्ट जाता है कि नहीं. And please like comment below in the comment section. Yesterday निकिता का जो analysis था it was absolutely perfect. Like she predicted a flag का breakout, so breakout came and the target also was achieved. So like if you benefited from that and if you learned something from her, please comment below and thank her. Okay, so that was it for this video from our side. Okay, if you like get benefited from this analysis, please comment below. And also like whatever topics you need for the educational video, let us know. I made a poll recently. In the poll you said you want a short triangle like monthly income के लिए, so I'll try to give you the strategy. This weekend Nikita will come out with something and next weekend I'll come out. Okay, so till then whatever you want, we note down all your topics, so please just keep jotting them down and we'll do that for you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching our video. We'll see you very soon. Bye bye.